day 483, Medford drag strip. A little bit of a change. We have ominous weather. We're gonna do one pass today is the mandatory, and then if you can get in another run, great. They're gonna reverse the run order, so kind of the faster guys get to go first, and then the big fields are going last. Last night we got in really late, clearly deep cart issues.
What are we doing here, Kris?
We're trying to keep the fire going out to the distributor cap instead of down into the distributor. So the Krises are here at Canyonville, and we just made it in. And look, it is 9:30. Everybody's been at the track for probably, I don't know, 2 hours. Because we're late again.
I'm pretty sure it's just water, but I didn't want to risk it.
Well, so when you did your burnout, you left the trails of water, and then it looked like when you launched, it was kind of spraying water.
So I don't know how it ran that fast with the boost controller off. Figure that one.
They gave you 10 pounds or 4 pounds, right?
Should be like 4, 5, 7 pounds. I don't know what's going on.
With the boost controller off, that's all it should be.
Quit night like you did.
Holy crap there, mister! 24?
I don't know what's going on. So the boost controller's off. It only has 3, 4, 5 pound springs in it, maybe 7 pounds. That had been 25, 30 pounds of boost.
It had to have been more.
That's why we were spinning so much here. Good base. I could not keep this thing.
It blew water over it.
Oh yeah, it blew.
My name is Ramir, and I brought my daily driver C7 Corvette. Pretty much all stock, just cat delete, secondary cat delete, and muffler delete. Running, well, I was going for a quarter mile. I ran a 12.1 over at Reading, and I ran a 7.9 as my index. I'm hoping I can hit the 7.9. 7.95 is that's what I'm going for. I'm going for a 12.1, you know, as well. You know, see how it works out. I got on this trip because I was like, you know what? It's the first time it's happening. Wanted to enjoy the drive, you know, down the coast and just meet everybody. Everyone's been like super helpful.
Here we are at Medford drag strip with Kris Ballard, our points leader in his class. What do we got going on?
Well, it overboosted this last pass, made 36 pounds. It should have been 20. It was the fastest pass the car's ever made, but it blew a lot of water out of this thing, so it's still running.
Okay, so it popped and crapped about 400 foot out, and so I kind of let out of it. Still made a good pass at a 570, which helps my standing, but now it's idling at 1500. Normally idles at 1000. And the MSD is giving me one alert. So I don't know what that means yet, so I need to figure that out. Oh, a piece of aluminum in there.
That's what I want to do with mine.
That sucks. Turbos are going. Uh-oh. I'm done. All done here.
All right, guys, we're here at Medford Drag Strip with the Redwood Rally event. Kris and I are gonna head out and motor down to Reading. We had a couple issues. Kris Darlin's out. Ballard ran really fast this round.
Yeah, unfortunately Kris burned up his turbos, so he is out for the rest of the race. I unfortunately had some problems. It worked in my favor in one way. It went the fastest I've ever been personally and the car. 523 at 142, but unfortunately it's supposed to be 20 pounds of boost, it was 36. So we definitely have wastegate issues that we got to fix before the next race, because this car is not meant to have that type of power. It's going to break. So I got to hopefully make it through Reading. So
Off to Reading. See you guys.
Day 5 of the event, and this is the most expensive day yet. We've destroyed 2 turbos. We've destroyed a wastegate sending 36 PSI to a stock small block Chevy. We lost our drone and an alternator, and I'm out. Day 5 of the event, and this is the most.
Holy
God. Did you get video?
No, I should have.
Handyman's secret weapon. Electrical tape. Girls don't find you handsome. They ought to find you handy. Lifelong pursuit of not dairy creamer.
Chop off these 80 miles and get it done.
You had me at 80 miles. Welcome back to Divebombers Garage at Diesel Fest 4.0.
Look at these guys rolling in a couple hours late. As per usual. But yeah, better late than never. Like they're still asleep.
Oh yeah. I can't wait to take it back home. What did you do? So anything that happens beyond this point that's bad, all gets blamed on Ballards because this was his idea. Over now.